Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth Quinn, and this is my circuit board in Tinkercad for my harvester bot. So my bot is designed to be turned on and travel through the garden, and then use an ultrasonic distance sensor to detect a plant in front of it, which will then trigger the servo motors to reach down and grab that plant. My circuit board features the Arduino board, the ultrasonic distance sensor, the DC motor, a transistor, a resistor, a diode, 2 servo motors, and a 9-volt battery. Once the bot is turned on, the DC motor will run, which will then turn on the distance sensor. Once the distance sensor senses something 5 inches away from it, the DC motor will stop, and that will trigger the servo motors to run. The first servo motor will run first, wait 1 second, and then the second one will run, causing the arm to reach down. Then once both of those are done, it will wait 3 seconds, and then the 2 servo motors will reset the arm, and then the DC motor will run again. As you can see in the simulation, DC motor stops, runs, triggers one arm, then the other, waits, turns back. Here is the code for that. My board features the DC motor with the transistor it needs to run it, and then a resistor to keep the base voltage appropriate when the transistor is running, and then it also has a diode to protect the circuit when the motor is not running. So the DC motor will be turned on once a day, and that will run its loop through the garden. It will detect the plants within 5 inches, stop the DC motor, 2 servo motors go, then they wait, reset, and then the DC motor will run again, and it will keep doing this until it runs out of plants to detect, and then it will go into standby and wait to be turned on another day. If I were making this circuit in real life, I obviously would have used a breadboard, but since I'm just making this in Tinkercad, I just was fine with a mess of wires. And I believe that is all. Thank you so much for watching.